Hello students, welcome. We are going to do a classic problem today. So I want your 100% attention. Please have your pen and paper. This is going to be very lengthy and I want you to have your earphones on and complete concentration with what you are listening and what you are seeing. So just have a look. In an equal triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 BC. Then prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Solution. I need to draw the figure. This is A, B, C, equilateral triangle, right? Triangle ABC is equilateral. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. All sides are equal. I can replace any side anywhere with other side. Now you have to mark a point D on BC such that this is counting to 3 parts. So BD is 1/3 of BC. Alright. Now in this case we have to show what? 9AD square is equal to 7 times AB square. Alright. Now what am I going to do? I will say given BD is equal to 1/3 BC. So this also I am going to use somewhere in the future. Now let me have some construction. I will draw a perpendicular AE. I will say draw perpendicular AE on BC. So here it is, perpendicular AE on BC. Now can you see 3 right angle triangles are formed? Triangle AED, triangle AEB and triangle AEC. My interest lies only on this side because you are involved with AD and AB. So entire my interest is on this side only. Now draw a perpendicular AE on BC. Now I'll say we know that in an equilateral triangle, if you draw a perpendicular, that is altitude, an equal triangle, and altitude divides the base in 2 equal parts. Alright. So therefore this is BE is equal to EC is equal to BC by 2. BE is equal to EC and that is equal to how much? BC by 2. Now what I am going to do? I am going to consider in triangle AED. In triangle AED, the square on the hypotenuse AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square is equal to AE square plus DE square. I will call this as equation 1. Again I will say in triangle AEB, what is the hypotenuse? AB. So AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square, right? So now what I am going to do, I am planning to eliminate this AE from both these equations because nowhere AE is involved. So what I am going to do, I will write therefore AE square is equal to AD square minus DE square, and here also you have AE square is equal to AB square minus BE square. Let me call this as equation 2. I will call this as equation 1. Now I will write from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. This is AE square, this is AE square. Both AE squares are equal. So from 1 and 2, I can equate this right hand side. From 1 and 2, I can write AB square minus BE square. AB square minus BE square is equal to AD square minus DE square. Alright. Now my problem, see always you must have an observation as to what you want. You don't want anything else than AD and AB. So my interest lies with AB and AD. I have to eliminate BE and DE. So what am I going to do? I will write this as AB square is equal to AD square. Now this minus B will go that side. You will have BE square minus DE square. Now I will write this as AB square is equal to AD square BE. Now children, you must have an observation here. What is this BE? BE is nothing but entire BC by 2. BE is nothing but what? BC by 2. Alright, so I will write this as BC by 2 whole square minus DE. Where is DE? This is DE. Now this DE can be written as BE minus BD. So I will write this DE as BE minus BD, and that is a square again. So you have AB square is equal to AD square plus BC square by 2 square 4 minus, what is this here? BE square plus BD square, A minus B whole square. So A square plus B square minus 2AB minus 2 into BD into BE. Alright. So now AB square is equal to AD square BC square by 4 minus, you open up the bracket, right? You have BE square minus BD square minus into minus plus 2 BD into BE. Alright, BD into BE. Now again, what is BE? BE is nothing but BC by 2. So I am going to replace this BE once again. So I will write this as AB square is equal to AD square plus BC square by 4 minus, what is BE? BE is half of BC. That's how you have written. BE is half of BC. So it is BC by 2 whole square minus BD square plus 2 into BD into BE. Once again, what is this BE? BE is equal to BC by 2. So instead of BE, I will write as what? BC by 2. So 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. Alright. Now you can see BC square by 4, BC square by 4. These two also are getting cancelled. Now we are closing another 4 steps. AB square is equal to, you have AD square followed by what? Minus BD square. Now he has already given to you that BD is 1/3 of BC, right? So let me put this as BD is 1/3 of BC whole square. Alright. Plus you have BD is 1/3 of BC. So instead of this BD, I'll write 1/3 of BC into, what do you have? BC. So what is BC into BC? BC square. Here also you have BC square. So let us write these things together. Lot of place here. You can adjust with this. You have AB square is equal to AD square. Now let me put this step here. BC into BC is BC square. You have BC square by 3 minus BC square by 3 square. BC square by 3 square is how much? 9. AB square is equal to AD square plus, what is LCM? 9. 3 3s are 9. So 3 into BC square, 3 BC square minus what is this you have? BC square. So AB square is equal to AD square plus 3 BC square minus BC square will be what? 2 BC square by 9. Now you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, what will happen? You will write this as 9AB square. LCM is how much? 9. 9 into AD square is 9 AD square plus what you have? 2 BC square. Cross multiply. 9 into AB square is 9 into AB square is equal to 9 AD square. So this till this part is okay. 2 into, you have BC square. But what is BC? BC is the side of an equal triangle, and in equal triangle AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So I can replace BC with AB. So instead of BC square, I will write what? 2 into AB square. Now this 2AB square will come on the left hand side, and you have 9AB square minus 2AB square is equal to 9AD square. You must always have a look as to what you want. So finally 9AD square is equal to 9AB square minus 2AB square is what? 7AB square. Hence proved. Right? So it's a very, very important and very nice question. I want you all to practice this many a number of times so that you will get grip on this particular topic. Alright? So keep trying, keep working a lot. Thank you, bye bye, and take care.